Unlock the full power of your Paytm account by linking your debit card in just a few simple steps. First, open your Paytm application on your smartphone. Once you're on the app's home screen, look for the Recharge and Bill Payment section. You might see different icons here, and you're looking for the option that typically deals with payments or services. Tap on the Payments or Bank option. This will lead you to a screen where you can manage your linked payment methods. You'll usually see options for wallets, UPI, and here, we're interested in adding a card. On the card screen, you'll find an option to add new card or a similar button. Click on this to begin the process of adding your debit card. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your debit card details. Carefully type in your 16-digit debit card number. Next, enter the expiry date of your card, usually shown as month and year. Following that, you'll need to enter the card verification value or CVV. This is usually a 3-digit number found on the back of your debit card. Once all the card details are entered correctly, Paytm will likely send an one-time password or OTP to your registered mobile number. Enter this OTP in the provided field to verify your ownership of the card. This is a crucial security step. After successful verification, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that your debit card has been added to your Paytm account. You've now successfully linked your debit card. This allows you to make instant payments for recharges, bill payments, online shopping, and even transfer money without needing to enter your card details every time. Enjoy the convenience of seamless, cashless transactions with Paytm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.